Yan lang ginawa namin yesterday and today. It's already what? 1 p.m. Alliance. Nanonood lang kami ng Culinary Wars.
Magpipick up sila ng isang chef sa bawat team.
Wala pang yan. Wala pang lemon yan.
Huwag mo na.
什么什么？你是 fishing？
Fishing.
我们是龙熊。
Reaction yung ano.
I-judge namin.
Kailangan nonchalant lang.
너무 잘 보여. 뚜렷해. 한식에서 맛으로
Igo pa.
근데 이 색깔을 너무나도 조화롭게 잘 살리셔서 굉장히
같이 함께 했을 때더
Si iron deficiency.
bawal ano yan, bawal putulin. Dapat, yun mo. Come on! Hindi.
Anong verdict to? Wala pang sahog yan. Ano pa yung sahog?
Okay, ayos ka muna. Mag-aano muna kami.
Wala kayo doon.
Masarap siya pero wala yung mga ingredients.
Bland pa siya, walang ingredients. Parang yung lansa lang ng pork ang nalalasahan ko.
Pero, pwede na. Okay, chef, come back! Chef.
So, nag-decide na kami.
Oh, chef. Yun yun o. Black and white wala.
Okay.
So, nung sinabi mong palabok ang dish mo, napaisip ako, napaka-basic lang naman ng palabok. Paano mo i-enhance yung flavor ng isang palabok?
Dapat yung Korean. Tapos isang title.
hindi. Ito palabok yun siya.
Bilis na! Sabi mo lang.
Sabi ko, nung natikman ko, na-feel ko agad yung lansa ng baboy.
Lansa ng baboy. Ito lansa ng baboy.
Saka yung noodles ay cooked to perfection.
Al dente ba?
Nung niisip ko, palabok, kung saan mo lang makikita yan? Sa Quiapo, sa Tondo.
Oo, ayan.
palabok na to.
Natural yan.
Saan ka
Niluto.
pupunta? Ang tagal mo naman!
Tagal eh.
Sabi mo yes or no.
Sa paas. Pag no, andyan lang yung pintuan.
Sa tingin ko,
Yes.
kailangan pang matikman yung so deferred ka muna, chef.
Ay, may sound.
Deferred ka muna yung decision ko, kasi kailangan ng sahod. Ikaw naman si.
Yun na yun. Pareho na tayo.
Sabi ko.
Saan? Di na makita. Section ba? Yung sila lang yung may run, pero pati ako tumatakbo.
And the future of our communities. 700 athletes with their medal or bib number.
Cheese!
Cheeky little run.
So nahiya na silang suotin. Ako na nagsuot! Ayan! Ako na nagsuot.
for a quick start. Some of you are looking a little bit nervous. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is it! The start of the 31st mass race Hongman Hawaii 5K. 1,700 athletes out on the course for the very, very first Hongman Hawaii 5K. As we continue to see our athletes streaming across that finish start line. Some Christmas
Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
I am loving the brightly coloured hat that's just gone past me. I am loving those, and I may well be acquiring one of. My panic now is can we get everybody through the start? Give it up for the chickens
And the bin!
and the snowman. More lights.
Watching.
Nathan Duffy and Eric Hurrell.
I'm single. I'm Aquarius. Yes, I'm.
One blocked out there. Something like that. There'll be a fucking connection with those two athletes coming in. One of them was a junior, another junior coming towards us. I'm loving this. I'm loving the charges for the finish line. I'm loving the lights coming in.
Congrats! Well done! Ayan, natapos na po ang kanilang run. How was it, guys?
You did it! Easy.
Well done! Well done. Nilamig lang ako sa labas. Kasi sobrang hangin. So, ayan. I was there to support. Very supportive. Ayan. Naghahawak ng lahat. Ng ilaw na nahiya silang suotin. Tapos inano ko nung host. Sabi niya, oh, that's nice. Sabi niya ganyan. Lady there. Sabi niya ganyan siya.
Ikaw ba yun?
Ha?
May sinabi siya.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder.